Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to keep your meeting participants muted in the meetings. So first you will need to open your desktop client and sign in to your account or Zoom account, and if you don't already have one, just sign in with your Google or Facebook or Apple account. After you sign in successfully, you will be headed in the home page here. So to keep other participants muted, you will need to be a host. Basically, you will need just to start a meeting. Now you can just click on this orange button here and a host will automatically start. Now, as you can see, this is the window, uh, the meeting window here, and now we want to mute all the participants. First, we will click on the participant list or menu like that, and as you can see, this is will be the list of your participants. So instead of muting each one individually, you will just go down here and just click on mute all and uh, make uncheck this one and click on yes. Basically, everyone will be muted, and if you go to the security, you will find that the participant permissions are not allowed to unmute themselves. And if I check it, so people will start unmuting themselves. And now, as you can see, all participants will be muted and they won't be able to unmute themselves. So uh, now you are able to keep them muted the whole uh, meeting until you take out the mute all. So you will just give them the permissions to unmute themselves, and that's it. So that's all. Thank you for watching and goodbye.